Today we are going to learn how to unveil a product or unveil yourself. Okay, let's start with unveiling the product. Let's assume that this particular camera here is our product that we need to unveil. We import it into the timeline. I must say this very trick is a simple trick and straightforward one. Okay, so as our playhead stands at the beginning of the video here, we click on mask. Okay, and then in our mask category here, we choose mirror. Now let's move this to create some shadow effect to make it more stylish and cinematic. Then we can click on this to tilt our mirror like this. And then we click here and shift it to the edge of this particular screen. Let's just go ahead and close this. Hit our keyframe here. And then we move our playhead to a reasonable distance like this, okay, so as to be able to open this to a reasonable size like this. Move your playhead once again, probably to this part, and then we come here, click and drag our mirror to finally unveil the product like this as it slides through it. As smooth as that. We can stop here and then probably move our playhead once again to the end of the video, and then we move this slightly here, and then we close this curtain. As simple as that. Let's go ahead and play this video and see how it will come out. Very smooth. I hope you liked it. Anyway, let's go back. This time we are going to unveil ourselves. So let's just say this is me. Obviously, that's not me, but then let's just assume this is me. Okay, we're going to basically do the same thing to this image here. So we click on mirror, create some shadow effect, tilt, drag to the end, close, and then you hit your keyframe. Move your playhead to a reasonable point, open. CapCut automatically fixes this keyframe for us as and when we move along. Okay, so once again, we drag it to a reasonable point like this. We now unveil smoothly like that to this point. Then we leave it. We come and move our playhead again, this time to the end of the video. We move and then we close like that. We can even leave it here like that. Let's go ahead and play this and see how it comes out. I think there's a small shadow effect here, but then never mind. Let's start. Beautiful. I hope you can now do it. If you really like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment for me. Thank you very much. Stay safe.